see the doggies. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Where's the doggies? Where's the doggies? Come on, let's go see the doggies. Come on, go get them. Where's the doggies? Oh, doggy's like, oh hell no, I'm out of here. Uh-oh. You hit a dead end, little girl. Want to come back this way? Come on. Turn it around. Let's go. No? Okay. We're going to sit and look out the window for a little while. Where are you going to go? Cody. Hi, Cody. Cody. Where's the doggy sniffing you? See, he's saying hi. He says hi. Hi, sister. What's the doggy do? He's like, Nana, what's he doing? Cody. You guys talking? Cody. Ow, 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 ow. Cody. Cody. Row, row. You're so funny, Cody. What you think about the baby, Cody? She's loud, huh? He's like, oh man. Wait till she starts walking. She gonna be jumping on you, Cody. She gonna be riding you like a horsey. Right, Nanu? She gonna be riding you like a horsey. What do you think about that? I think they want to go outside. Where's the doggies? Where's the doggies? Say hi, doggies. He's gonna sniff you to death. Say hi, doggies. Okay, say bye.